Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today's project, we have a shed ramp. An old wooden shed ramp. As you can see, it's all buckling, old. We're going to switch it out to aluminum. A little bit longer, a little bit bigger. And so we're going to destroy this. And I got to figure out a mounting system. I'm probably just going to do L brackets and see if it holds. Probably gonna do something like this and kind of just drill out the sides there, so we're gonna figure that out. I really can't go up underneath it. I don't have any room to go across the beam there. That's what my initial thought was, but that's just no way that I can get my arm in maybe one or two holes. But anyway, if I need a reinforcement, I will. So let's take a look at this. Oh, boy, this is solid. So as you can see, I've got beams across, so there's not a whole lot I can do. So the L bracket's going to go here, of course the other side, so I'm going to drill out this side and the other side. So what I was saying is that I probably can get a drill hole through here, maybe here, and maybe two on the other side, but I don't know that I can get my, oh yeah, well at the side. So I may go across as deep as I can also with some maybe some lag bolts or something. We'll figure it out as we go. Right now I'm just going to do the L brackets, kind of put it in shape anyway. But as you can see, I can't overlay this piece. That's what Michelin was, but as you can see, these are going to prevent that from happening. So that's a complete demo here. And this will be reinstalled. So again, I'm going to get, I think this is a 42 by 48. So, and this was a 36 by 36. So you can see it's going to be a little bit better for me. I picked that up used. That was $100. And of course, if I redid the wood, that's probably going to cost me $100, right? So that'll last me a lot longer. And I'm going to put that on my my shed. And my shed, of course, houses all my personal items, you know, the lawnmowers, all that stuff, and all that junk, right? And of course, it's raised about that's a good foot and maybe foot and a half. So, but we'll see how it goes. I gotta modify it. So I'll let you see the demo. Of course, I'll speed this up. And I gotta drill holes and see where I need to do here. So let's get a little bit closer. A little bit closer. There we go. So we'll get to disassembling. Hey guys, I'm back. You know what really sucks? You're drilling, you're doing your holes, and you break a drill bit right in your hole. Look at that. I don't know if it focused yet. Look at that. So, let's see if I can punch it out. That sucks. I mean, yeah, I know I could put another drill in there, but it's just gonna take more work. Alright. Anyway, I'll be back. Ready. Believe it or not, guys, I broke another drill bit in this same hole. So I don't know what's up that hole, but I guess I'm not using that hole. Done with that hole. I'm gonna mount up now. Pretty straight. I didn't put a level to it, but I'm not going to. It doesn't matter. You see, I can't put anything in here. Obviously the door won't shut, so it has to be below that. And then of course I got these ridges here, so that's the closest I got. So we'll just have to go and deal with that. Otherwise I'm cutting out this door. That'll help. Alright guys, Jim, Seascape. Peace. Like, subscribe, give me a comment. Hey, it's a quick fix. That's all I know.